All right, guys, so today I want to walk you through how to make your Venmo account private. Now, of course, we want to make our transactions private, but we also want to make our friends list private. We also want to make our past transactions private. So if you are a representative of the United States government, this video is specifically for you. Now, first, obviously, we need to open up our app. And here we're going to select the Me at the bottom, and then we're going to hit this settings wheel up top. Once we're in the settings, we're going to scroll down to privacy. So here, what we're going to do is set everything to private for our future payments. This is going to hide everything future, but we need to also go into this more section and select past transactions. And here we're going to change everything to private. So all of our past transactions are now going to be locked down. So we'll hit OK. We're going to go back. We're also going to go into friends list, and we're going to make sure that our friends list is also private. And then also, if we do not want to appear in other people's friends list, we can turn that off here. So if their friends list is not private, we want to make sure that our name doesn't show. Again, if you are a representative in the US government, make sure that you turn this off. And here, we're also going to go into location, and we're just going to make sure that everything is set to denied. Location, share location, never. Yeah, so that's how we're going to make our Venmo account private. Hope this helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel. You guys stay safe out there.